probability, a lot of us math students are just given random formulas and are just told to use them without it being proven to us. And because of this, we lack the fundamental understanding as to why these formulas work. Let's take a look at one probability topic in particular, combinations.
If you've worked with probability in the past before, I'm sure you know the n choose r formula, where it's n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial, and here are the variables labeled. Let's take a look at an example. For my friend's birthday, I want to buy her 6 crayons, but I only have enough money for 3. The order of the crayons doesn't matter because they're all going in one gift bag. But it's much easier to understand combinations when you learn how to solve situations where the order of the crayons do matter. For the first slot, we have 6 crayons to choose from, and then for the second slot, we have 5 crayons to choose from, and for the last slot, we have 4 of the random crayons to choose from, and that gives us 120 different ways of sorting these.
So that's 120 different ways that you can order these 3 crayons, but that's if the order of these crayons matter. What if it doesn't, like in our example? Let's take a look.
As mentioned, the 120 ways that you can select 3 crayons out of the 6 is only if the order of the crayons matters. For example, if we had selected red, green, and blue, that would only count as 1 for a combination, but if the order matters, that would count as a whopping 6. So basically, it's repeating one combination 6 times, which is why it's such a huge number. And so we don't want these repeats, so how do we get rid of them? To do so, we need to figure out all the different ways that you could possibly reorder the 3 of the 6 crayons you choose. So when reordering, for the first one you have 3 crayons to choose from, for the second one you have 2 crayons out of the 3 to choose from, and for the last crayon you only have 1 crayon to choose from. And so there's 6 different ways of reordering the 3 crayons, and we divide that by 120 in order to get rid of the repeats, which gets us 20 ways.